shop update video. So I've got this experimental device on my head, and if you need cutting board feet, gosh, cuttingboardfeet.com for your big orange bumpers on your weird cutting boards. But if you need them, here they are, clear, black, any color you want. Just call me up, we'll make a deal. And here are some Zinc samples, template prototypes. That's my first solder joint right there. Turned out pretty good for being a pretty bad solder joint. But stuck together, put my juice over it to see how the patina looks. The solder takes on a little bit lighter color on the patina, but it does blend in with the gray tones. So that looked pretty good. And then I did an experiment with making a corner cutout, and fit on there. Fucking shop update video. Zinc countertops. This is my layout plan. I'm building 3 countertops and then some filler pieces to make kind of a backsplash surround. But 2 of the counters have undermount sinks, and that's the difficult part. I've done this before with square cutout sinks, and that's actually simple to do. I just piece it together and then wrap all the edges kind of individually. But I found out something interesting in Massachusetts, where this is going to be going. There's a code issue with square sinks. I guess bacteria builds up with square corners. I'm not really sure, but all the sinks in Massachusetts have to have rounded corners in the kitchens to get the code requirement. So I have to make undermount sink openings with the rounded corners, which I've never done before. So that's why I'm wearing the antenna on my head. If I told you how expensive these sinks were, you probably wouldn't believe me. But these are very high-end sinks that are handmade. And this one is especially interesting. It's solid cast bronze, extremely heavy. And this one is made from a sheet metal. It's got kind of a weird finish on it though. But that's what I got to make the undermount sinks for. I have to make these rounded corner joints. So, cuttingboardfeet.com. Okay, I'm ready to glue the substrate together and then glue the zinc. I sanded the backside of the zinc with 80 grit to clean up the surface, make it rough. You get a better glue bond that way. So it's pretty rough.